In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways how to customize your Google Chrome look and feel. So once you're inside Google Chrome, you will see right underneath the search bar that you have the shortcut icon here. You can click and add it, and you can add websites here. So if I would like to add, for example, YouTube, I could type in YouTube right here, and the URL, I can just simply type in youtube.com as well. So I can type in www.youtube.com and click and done. And so you can use this section here to customize your different websites as you need to, right? Now, another way how you can customize this is by doing so for the colors and the pictures and so forth, themes and so forth. And I'm going to show you. So if you click customize on the lower right hand side, you can go ahead and you can turn Google Chrome into light or dark mode. So that's one way, or you can also customize your Chrome. Another way is by choosing different colors. So if you don't want to use this, you can use the different colors here, and you can just basically change the look and feel right here. That goes if you put it in dark mode as well. You can also change the look and feel to your Google Chrome. And that's another way how you can customize your Google Chrome. Now let's get into something a bit more awesome. Now you can click and change theme right here by clicking this button, and right here you can upload your own image. So if you click and upload photo, find a photo in your PC and you can upload that picture right here, and it's going to change the background of Google Chrome, so you can see how Google Chrome looks something bit more nicer, right? And this is if you have your own image. Now if you don't have your own image and you don't want to use your own image, no problem, right? You can always go ahead and just use the default right here. But right here you have different, let's say, some themes that you can use. So you can click on these, and once you click on these, you will see that it changed the background of Chrome as well. So you can use these different pictures, right? So this is another way how you can customize Google Chrome to use different pictures. Now, final way how you can easily customize Chrome for this tutorial is by clicking the three dots on the upper right, and here you want to go to extensions and go to the visit the Chrome Web Store. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, click on themes right here, and you can go ahead and basically look for different themes of your choice that you can download. So you have animal themes, you have a whole different range of themes that you can use. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to just choose, for example, this Grand Theft Auto theme here. I click on that, click on add to Chrome, and you will see that it's going to change my theme. So right now the top of Chrome change, and if I go, for example, home as well, you will see that it change up my Chrome, and my Chrome look really nice. At any point in time you want to, let's say, not use these different themes, you can always go back into your Google Chrome. As you can see, if you click and manage Chrome, you can go access the Chrome Web Store from here, or you can just simply click the three dots, hover over where it says extension, and click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now, in order to remove those themes, you can click on themes, and here you will just click the three dots on the upper right, and here you click manage extensions and themes. Here it's going to show you all the themes that you have installed, and here you can just simply click and remove afterwards. Additionally, one bonus tip for you to, let's say, customize your Chrome is by using extensions in general. And so you can always download multiple different extensions to enhance your Google Chrome experience. So whatever it is, you can find it and you can just easily click on it, and you can add those different extensions to Chrome. And yeah, it's going to enhance your experience. So that's basically it, guys. If you found value here within this video, give this video a like, hit that subscribe button to learn more about Google Chrome, and so that you become a master at using Google Chrome. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.